If you're seeing an error that says "error, too many redirects" on your WordPress site, and you can't even reach your dashboard, it's easy to feel stuck and unsure what to do next. The reality is, this is one of the most common WordPress errors, and there's a straightforward way to track it down and fix it. And in this video, we're going to go through the process step by step on how to fix the "error, too many redirects" issue in WordPress. Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. What does this error actually mean? WordPress uses redirects all the time. It uses them to give you SEO-friendly URLs, to send people from old URLs to new ones, to fix 404 errors, and to handle SSL and HTTPS. On top of that, a lot of plugins use redirects too. SEO plugins, caching plugins, security plugins, SSL plugins, redirection plugins, all of them can add their own redirect rules. Normally, these redirects help your site work better, but if something is misconfigured, you can end up in what's called a redirect loop. So, page A redirects to page B, and page B redirects right back to page A. Or you bounce between the www and non-www versions, or between HTTP and HTTPS, over and over. Your browser follows those redirects a few times, then gives up and shows the "too many redirects" error. In Chrome, you'll see "error, too many redirects." In Firefox, you'll see "the page isn't redirecting properly." In Safari, you'll see a message, "Safari can't open the page due to redirecting too many times." The browser doesn't tell you what's causing it, only that there is a loop. So, our goal in the rest of this video is to find what is creating that loop and turn it off. We'll start with the easiest checks and move step by step toward the more advanced ones. Step 1. Clear browser cookies and cache. The first thing to check is your web browser. Sometimes your site is actually fine, but your browser has stored old redirect information in its cookies or cache that can make your browser keep following an outdated redirect path even after the site has been fixed. Here's a quick way to test that. Open your site in a completely different browser. For example, if you usually use Chrome, try it with Firefox, Safari, Edge, or Opera. If your site loads normally in that other browser, but still shows the "too many redirects" error in your main browser, that's a strong sign the problem is in your browser's stored data. So, to fix this, if you're using Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Check the options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Once done, reload your site. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings, and then go to the Privacy and Security panel. Click on Clear Browsing Data and Cookies, and make sure to check Cookies and Site Data, and then click Clear. In Safari, go to Safari in the menu bar and select Preferences. Go to the Privacy tab, click the Manage Website Data, and click Remove All. If the error is gone and your site loads, the problem was just cached redirects in your browser. If you still see the error, check the WordPress URL settings. Another major cause of endless redirect loops is misconfigured WordPress URLs. In WordPress, there are two key addresses: the WordPress address, URL, and the site address, URL. For most sites, these should be exactly the same. They need to match the real URL of your site, including whether you use www or not, and whether your site loads over HTTP or HTTPS. You can fix this from your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings, then General, and ensure that both the WordPress address URL and site address URL fields are correct. They should usually be the same. Since you might not have access to the WordPress admin area, you may need to fix the WordPress URLs using an FTP client or the file manager in your hosting control panel. If you're connecting your site to FileZilla for the first time, you can click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Once connected, go to the root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name, and locate the WP-content folder, and then open the Themes folder. Inside, find the folder for the theme your site is currently using and open it. Look for a file called functions.php. Right-click and select View/Edit to open it using a text editor. Scroll to the bottom of the file and add these two lines. don't forget to replace https://example.com with your own site URLs. You can now save your changes and upload the file back to your website. After that, try visiting your website to see if this resolves the error. Once everything is working and you can reach the dashboard again, you can go into Settings, then General, confirm that your URLs are correct, and remove the 2 lines you added so your theme file only contains theme code. If you still see the error, then the loop is happening on the server side. That means we need to look at WordPress itself. Step 3. Deactivate all plugins. The most common cause of the error too many redirects issue in WordPress is a plugin conflict. Typically, this is a plugin trying to create a redirect that conflicts with WordPress's own redirects, or with another plugin, or with your HTTPS settings. The easiest way to test this is to temporarily turn off all your plugins, see if the error goes away, and then turn them back on one by one until you find the one causing the issue. If you can still access your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. Select all of your plugins and choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown, then click Apply. If the error is gone, that tells you a plugin was causing the loop. Reactivate each plugin one by one until the error reappears to identify the culprit. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. But if you're still unable to access the WordPress dashboard, you'll need to use an FTP client or the file manager in your hosting control panel. Once your site is connected to an FTP client, go to the root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name, and locate the WP-content folder. Inside, you'll see a folder called Plugins, and then rename it to plugins_deactivated. Your WordPress will automatically disable all active plugins in the database. Now go back to your browser and try visiting your site again. If the site loads normally and you can log into your dashboard, that confirms a plugin was causing the redirect loop. To find out which one, go back to your FTP, rename plugins_deactivate back to plugins, then return to your WordPress dashboard and open the Installed Plugins page. From there, reactivate your plugins one by one. After you turn on each plugin, reload your site. Once the problematic plugin is identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. If the problem persists, you may need to explore advanced solutions. Now, fixing redirect issues is critical for your site's performance and SEO, and hopefully by now you've identified what's causing the loop. But once your website is stable and running properly, the next challenge for many business owners is not just traffic, it's turning that traffic into consistent leads and sales. That's where RevHero comes in. RevHero is an AI-powered sales automation platform designed to help businesses book more meetings and grow their pipeline without manually handling cold outreach. It works like a virtual sales team, running automated campaigns across email, SMS, and phone calls, using AI to personalize messages and improve engagement. Instead of spending hours prospecting and following up manually, RevHero automates that process so your team can focus on what actually moves the needle: closing deals. If you'd like to see how it can support your sales strategy, I'll leave a link for you in the description. Now let's continue with the final step in fixing the redirect issue. Step 4. Fix the htaccess file. Your htaccess file is a special configuration file that lives in the root folder of your WordPress site. WordPress uses it to handle SEO-friendly permalinks and some redirect logic, and many plugins also add rules to this file. If a plugin adds a bad redirect rule, or if the file gets corrupted, it can easily cause a too many redirects loop. To reset your htaccess file, connect to your site via FTP, or open your hosting provider's file manager again. Once your site is connected, go to the root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name. Inside, you should see a file named htaccess. If you don't see it right away, make sure hidden files are visible in your file manager. When you find htaccess, right-click on it and download a copy so you have a backup. Then delete the htaccess file from the server. Now go back to your browser and try visiting your site. If everything works normally now, That tells you your .htaccess file was causing the redirect error. The last step is to let WordPress recreate a clean version of that file. To do that, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then Permalinks. You don't need to change any options here. Just scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. WordPress will generate a fresh .htaccess file with the default permalink rules. At this point, in most cases, the too many redirects error will be completely resolved. If you've tried everything so far, clearing your browser, disabling all plugins, fixing your URL settings, and resetting your .htaccess file, and you still see the too many redirects error, then the issue is likely happening at the server or hosting level. At this stage, the best thing you can do is contact your hosting provider's support team. Good thing, GigaPress web hosting provides excellent customer support. If you're hosting with GigaPress, you're not just getting help. You're getting a reliable partner committed to keeping your WordPress site running smoothly. Thanks to our quick resolution, whether you use live chat, phone, or support tickets, we have some of the fastest resolution times in the industry. So, ready to experience hassle-free hosting? Visit gigapress.net/web-hosting. And that's it. By following these steps, clearing your browser data, fixing your WordPress URLs, deactivating conflicting plugins, and resetting your .htaccess file, you can quickly track down and resolve the too many redirects error in WordPress. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.